The Jamaica Festival Song Competition celebrates the spirit of our people and our rich, vibrant culture. It provides a platform for aspiring and established artists, evoking a feeling of national pride and unity. I'm Yendi, and I'll be taking you through an entertaining showcase of talent. This year, we'll have a festival song competition with a difference. COVID-19 has changed the game, so we're not able to have the road shows and the grand finale that we usually stage in keeping with the prevailing health protocols. Instead, we'll be coming to you virtually. You'll be able to vote for your favorite contestant using text to vote. That is texting the word vote using the number assigned to each contestant, which you will see displayed on your screen throughout this program. So, the power is in your hands. As soon as you see your favorite festival song, get to voting. Coming up in the show, the top 10 finalists in the Jamaica Festival Song Competition 2020, the voice of the people, and interesting revelations from storied veterans of the competition. But first, Grammy Award winner, the Gagamel Buju Banton proudly describes qualities that readily identify Jamaicans everywhere in the world. And upcoming artist Extra Big performs a beautiful, heartfelt tribute to the place of his birth.
Yeah, yard man. Yeah, yard man, don't respect. I want to I respect and love man to all Jamaican, no matter where in the world. One eye, like I own you. No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No birth papers I have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No birth papers I have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. I have Jamaican walk, them here Jamaican talk, cause I am a Jamaican. Them here Jamaican chat, them say Jamaican bop, cause I am a Jamaican. Now everywhere in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. And no ID I will have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. Them say, Lord, what a boy can run, that is a Jamaican. When them see the Rasta man from Jamdong, that is a Jamaican. Dressmaker, baker, tailor, shoemaker, market, woman in a donkey cart. Rivers and streams, fountains and mountains, in a Jamaica we have it all. Now anywhere in the world I go, I am a Jamaican. No birth papers I have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. When you hear that music I play out a door, it must be Jamaican. When you smell the food I cook when the breeze blow, got to be Jamaican. Cause I am a Jamaican. Oh, them people they laugh so much, got to be Jamaican. They have overcome struggles and been through so much, got to be Jamaican. You're not all, you're not tough, you got to be Jamaican. Resilient and brave, industrious, yes we are Jamaican. No matter anywhere in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No ID a Jamaican. Them say, Lord, what a boy can run, must be a Jamaican. When they make the reggae music from Jam Down, got to be Jamaican. Dressmaker, baker, tailor, shoemaker, market, woman in a donkey cart. Rivers and streams, fountains and mountains, Jamaica nice nuts.
Hey, I want me born on me birdland. I run me gun on a dirt man, a really hard man. People are research the best place on earth, so make me introduce you to for me island. If there's a heaven on earth, it gotta be the place of my birth. Masterpiece of the creator's work, Mother Nature live in concert. Perfection in the creation, breeze and sunshine all day long. Healing places for every situation. From your power, you have to stay along. Paradise, Jamaica paradise. Me happy jump and rejoice. The way the river water nice, yeah. Nowhere else you not get breeze like this. A precious gem upon the Caribbean seas. Paradise, Jamaica paradise. Jamaica paradise. Jamaica paradise, yeah. We have the purest springs and the purest fountains. Now ask you go high Blue Mountain. Your blessings are flow upon we 14 parishes and counting. The jelly water, sugar cane. Ask you to kunu our piece of pudding. Reggae it till you feel no pain. So book your next flight man and explain to paradise. Jamaica paradise. Me happy jump and rejoice. The way the river water nice, yeah. Nowhere else you not get breeze like this. A precious gem upon the Caribbean seas. Paradise, Jamaica paradise. Jamaica paradise. Jamaica paradise, yeah. Paradise, yeah. Oh, what a place nice. Anyway, you circle from the city to the coast. Natural vibration from the pillar to the post. I can't salt fish, bread, fruit, fry, or roast. With the white rum, our we toast down a paradise. Leader, we no follower. Them say we little, but we talawa. Put the black, gold, green on the camera. If I not heaven, this tell me our paradise. Jamaica paradise. Me happy jump and rejoice. The way the river water nice, yeah. Nowhere else you not get breeze like this. A precious gem upon the Caribbean seas. Paradise, Jamaica paradise. Jamaica paradise. Jamaica paradise, yeah. Jamaica, yeah. Oh, yeah. Jamaica paradise, yeah. Paradise, yeah. Paradise.
Stay right there. The Jamaica Festival Song 2020 video block soon come back.
The festival are part of our heritage, and we can't afford to lose it because it is so valuable. Even if you listen to the old time festival song, them Rari and Eric Donaldson and all those, you know, it just bring back a certain feeling, you know.
This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth.
Bam bam, what a bam bam, bam bam tilem bam bam.
One of the baddest and the greatest festival song me ever know. Go something like, yeah, Fiwi Island ta boom, Jamaica Island ta boom,
Well, man, like Toots and the Maytals, Tinga Stewart, Freddie McKay, Big Hill both.
Give thanks and praises by Rarian, Eric Donaldson, Cheerio Baby, Baba Boom.
Welcome back to the Jamaica Festival Song 2020 video block. In 1967, a quartet named the Jamaicans won the festival song competition with Baba Boom. Tommy Cowan was a member of that group.
The Miracles became the Jamaicans, and that was an amazing story because we were asked one day to sing for a guy, just for him and his girlfriend. The guy was one of the owners of a ship called, I think, the Jamaica Planter. The ship was in port, drove off his pink Cadillac. So we went and sang, and then he says to us, fellas, one day the music in this country, Jamaica, is going to become worldwide. It's going to become known. And then you guys should be the first to be identified with it. So I think you should call yourself the Jamaicans. So when people hear about you, they attach you to the music and the island. And we gave ourselves the name the Jamaicans. In 1966, you had Bam Bam, which was the first festival song. There was more emphasis now after Toots won this. There's more prestige to it. So we decided in 1967 that we would enter with Baba Boom Time. When we won with Baba Boom, it was big time for us because then we would be singing at the National Stadium. You know, we were on television, the one TV station that we had in, I think maybe black and white at the time. For us, that was good. And of course, you had groups dancing the songs, you know. We had our own dance to it. And of course, being young teenagers, hey, the prettiest girl in Jamaica would be there saying, ah, it was a good feeling.
Now you have to drop some legs and do some fancy footwork for an energetic number from dancehall DJ Papa Michigan and a fun, upbeat, positive tune from two-time festival song winner Nazzleman showing off Jamaica.
Circle Papa Michigan, everything crisp. You tremble the top, the bass a clap, everything legit. Thank Father God for guide and protect us in a this a festival. Dance to the left in a the festival. To the right in a the festival. Flop your hands in a the festival. What a joy, what a celebration. No, forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Say bubble, baby, bubble.
A bubble.
Forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Just bubble, baby, bubble. Go and go get your manicure, go and go get your foot shawl. Put on your pretty clothes, now you're here as a one. Fi check your family for the celebration. All the first in a Jamaica Island, la 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 la. Dance to the left in a the festival. To the right in a the festival. Clap your hands in a the festival. What a joy, what a celebration. No, forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Say bubble, baby, bubble.
A bubble.
I say forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
I say bubble, baby, bubble. Festival start 1966 and we do the celebration up a stadium. This 2020 no stadium. Everybody have to watch it on them television. Festival a go on even virtual. Everybody keep social distance. Boys and girls listen to your parents. Are you ready now? Come make we dance. Dance to the left in a the festival. To the right in a the festival. Clap your hands in a the festival. What a joy, what a celebration. No, forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Say bubble, baby, bubble.
A bubble.
Forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Say bubble, baby, bubble. I say move to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and you feel bubble. If you drink rum, nobody get drunk, I want your bubble. Police was putting a gun in at the festival and bubble. If you are rude, why not get yourself up in no trouble? Every mother, father, brother, sister, auntie, and niece. Every mother, the father, the brother, the sister, auntie, and niece. Bubble, you feel bubble to this festival beat. Jump around. foot on the heat. Move around to the festival beat. Every Jamaican dance, make we dance to the left in the festival. To the right in the festival. Flop your hands in the festival. What a joy, what a celebration. No, forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Say bubble, baby, bubble.
A bubble, me a bubble.
Forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Say bubble, baby, bubble. I see sickle, Papa, Michigan, everything Chris. The treble, the top, the bass, the clap, everything legit. My baby by my side, me say everything lit. Money in my pocket, so you must get the gist. Economy go down, but you can bounce back around. Make me tell you, say Jamaicans are fantastic. To the left, 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 to the right, 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 to the right. Dance to the left in the festival. To the right in the festival. Flop your hands in the festival. What a joy, what a celebration. No, forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Say bubble, baby, bubble.
A bubble, me a bubble.
Forget about your trouble.
Forget about my trouble.
Say bubble, baby, bubble.
Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I love Jamaica. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Let's do it. And in the air, everybody jump, put your one in the air. Move to the left and put your one in the air. Move to the right and put your one up in the air. Oh, brr, bambi dumbe. Boy, padabadubade. Brr, bambi dumbe. Oh, and if you think that Jamaica no nice, check Tones River Fall. Brabadum, babadum, babadum, bambi dum bang. Oh, and if you think that Jamaica no nice, come a downtown near the Ocean Mall. We have things for your comfort when you come, we come back. Oh yeah, and if I want real Jamaica nice, welcome one and all. Brr, badabadum, babadum, bang, bidum, bang. Hey, and the good white drum make people come. Greatness how we heart make people come. The Aki and the rundown make people come. The sweet reggae music fun can run. And no war and crime make people come. We have a nice time make people come. And the tourist resort make people come. From east, west and north, the people them a come. And everything's a Jamaica no nice. Check Don's River Fall. Brabadum, babadum, babadum, bang, bidum, bang. Hey, and if you think that Jamaica no nice, come marry a town where the whole is dance. We have things for your comfort when you come, we come back. Oh, yeah. And if you think that Jamaica no nice, take a one trip down a Port Royal. We have things for your comfort when you come, we come back. Hey, I say when them come, watch them a turn in a the boiling sun in a the sea. And I say when them come, man meet a woman or a woman meet a man and them married and done. I say when them come, watch them document last card, them no one left jam down. I say when them come, state of emergency down and everybody have fun. And if you think that Jamaica no nice, check Don's River Fall. Brabadum, babadum, babadum, bang, bidum, bang. Oh yeah, and if you think that Jamaica no nice, come a rock fort at the mineral bath. We have things for your comfort when you come, we come back. Hey, and if you want real Jamaica nice, welcome one and all. Brrr, badabadumbe. Whoa, badabadubade. So we tell them, say, and in the air, everybody jump, put a one in the air. Move to the left and put a one in the air. Move to the right and put a one up in the air. Oh, yeah. Brrr, bambi dumbe. Whoa, badabadubade. Brrr, bambi dumbe. Whoa, yeah. Man, if you think that Jamaica no nice, check Don's River Falls. Brabadum, babadum, babadum, bang, bidum, bang. Hey, and if you think that Jamaica no nice, come a downtown near the Ocean Mall. Brabadum, babadum, bang, bidum, bang. Whoa, Jamaica we love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. There's no place I put above you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Nobody can overcome you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Hey, 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 love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Jamaica, sweet, nice. Jamaica, we so be nice, we are paradise. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
More niceness after the break.
the festival song that I can remember the most is Oh Cheerio Baby. That was done, I'm not sure of the year, but it was done by Eric Donaldson. Let me see if I can remember it go. Oh Cheerio, Cheerio Baby.
Oh, Cheerio, Cheerio, baby. Think I'm a lover with you. Now, the next one. Jump like Lego. We need a big heel boot and a barefoot pants. Figure jump this year festival.
Oh, Cheerio, Cheerio, baby. Oh, Cheerio, Cheerio, baby. Oh, I'm in love with you.
My favorite festival song is Oh Cheerio Baby by Eric Donaldson. It's the best in all the festival songs over the years. It's the best festival song I know.
Cheerio Baby with Eric Donaldson. Remember that one, the good. Cheerio, Cheerio Baby. Don't you know I'm in love with you? If you don't believe I do, why don't you make Johnny? I will never let you down. I will never let you wear no crown. If you say that you love me madly, oh babe, I will accept you gladly.
Eric Donaldson has been the most prolific winner of the festival song competition, topping the field a whopping 7 times.
1970, I have this song called Cheerio Baby. At least Cheerio Baby is not a song that I will say no one inspired me to do it, you know. But when I do this song after a while, I think I made a mistake. Because there was a girl living in my area named Cherry. And you couldn't tell nobody that is not Cherry I sing this song after, you know. But this song hit me like I just get up one morning and like a melody in my head. No, 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 no. No words, just melody. So I used to say, oh, my little darling. Then I change up and I say, oh, Cheerio, yeah? Put Cheerio in it. So I said, boy, in 1971, I am going to enter with Cheerio Baby. So 1971, I sent in my application and pick the song. Do some rehearsal with Inner Circle. And the first show was at the Odeon Theatre. When I come on the stage, man, and start Cheerio Baby, the whole place tear down. I've sing it about 3 times. And then she's Bonnie Lee and Bonnie Lee and Tommy Cowan, they take me to Byron Lee. So I listen to the song and then say, so I record the song down there. So Inner Circle was recording this song and I said, boy, this song we're not ready, you know, and they start to call me Cherry right away, you know? So that's how it started out. So the Cheerio Baby come out and be a big hit and things was nice. Recorded by the Rolling Stone and recorded by UB40 and some other artists that I don't even know. They used to have like some shows around the island. I think it was about 7 shows. Moby, Maypen, whatever. And there was this guy who have a song. I don't remember his name, but we'd have to pick numbers to go on stage. So have this basket with the number, you pick a number. But this guy, I remember I did have number 7 and the guy have number 8. And two successive times, I was before him. But what happened? After I sing, everybody walk out. The show finished. So they decide, say, well, Eric, you have to give him a chance, you know. If you draw 6, give him the 6. And you sing after him. So that's how we get him, we get recognized in it. Just give him a blind because nobody wasn't listening to his song.
Next, the sweet sounds of reggae singer and Rising Stars winner Sugar will melt your heart with an uplifting, feel-good song. And 3-time festival song winner and Grammy awardee Toots and the Maytals inspires us with an anthem of unity and love.
No matter where we go in this world, once we identify ourselves as Jamaicans, everybody get crazy. They all want to hear us chat some patois like Miss Lou. Hey, so let's wave the black, the green, and the gold. Jamaica, one people, oh, one country, oh, hey, spreading love everywhere we go. Hey, one people, oh, one country. like tropical bliss. I love how the kids them a play. I wish we could all be like children one day, dancing and splashing and holding hands. No matter your color nor where you're from, you're welcome to vacate on my island. Cause out come anyway, I want to sing now. Whoa. Trip touchdown if you're feeling groovy. We party every day cause we love the party. We will rise above the hardest of the times, hey. Even though sometimes the hills are hard to climb, let your light shine. Whoa, let me see you light it up. Whoa, we are diamonds in the rough. Whoa, voices so loud can't be denied. Tropical bliss. I love how the kids them a play. I wish we could all be like kids for one day. Put the women from cassava, me a kid with me a man banana. And when you hear me say watcha, just know say you learn one people, one country, hey, spreading love everywhere we go. Hey, one people, one country, I say, rise up, Jamaicans, stand up and take a stand. We are all God's people. Hey, we should live as one. They say Jamaica is overpopulated, so we must be creative in our sunshine land. We should be in a hurry to gain our victory from humanity.
bless our land with justice, truth, and rights. See all those little children walking on the sidewalk, singing festival songs. Won't you rise up, Jamaica? Stand up, Jamaicans, with love and justice for all. Let us build our nation from the foundations of love, I say, rise up, Jamaicans, stand up and take a stand. We are all God's people. We should live as one. Rise up, Jamaicans, stand up and take a stand. We are all God's people. We should live as one. Singing. Singing.
We'll be right back with the Jamaica Festival Song 2020 video block. Stay with us.
Yeah, original festival man, them is man like Toots, Eric Donaldson, Roy Rayan, King of Stuart, them original man from way back when, see?
This is the land of my birth, sing by Eric Donaldson.
Roy Rayan, and he sung this song back in, I think it was 1987. Give thanks and praises, we are 25.
Bam bam, what a bam bam. I'm there.
Eric Donaldson and Big Hill Boat and Chiquitita, all them music, them Cheerio Baby, all them music, them man, boy, them they did music.
Come relax and chill with upcoming dancehall artist Radix OD as he performs a soulful love song to Jamaica. And make sure you turn up the sound of reggae veteran Freddie McGregor, captain of the big ship, as he celebrates Jamaica with a mellow vibe.
195 countries in this world, and there's no place I'd rather be. See, if you're living outside of this country, just follow the man and you'll get to see exactly what I mean.
Jamaica is the place to be.
We can chill on the beach. If you puff trees, alright. Police won't mind long as you're not overdo it.
Jamaica is the place to be. Jamaica will make you so happy.
White, Chinese, Indian too. We no response to you give praise to. Could a Christian, Muslim, atheist, Rasta. We are still one, yeah, we still live good. Love we got spread the eternal mood. And the woman them enough you can pick and choose. Could a slim to the bone or them big and them round. And the whole of them are hot, yeah, them beautiful. Reggae dance all nothing move to the bass. Fun never done, could a night, could a day. Grab a beer, drink rum, lone vibes in a brain. Bolt when the race, but a bob set the pace. Yeah.
get it better, yo. Try not make the time run out. Buy your plane tickets and go on a boat, you better come, guys. Jamaica is the place to be. Jamaica will make you so happy. Jamaica, I love Jamaica. Jamaica, I love Jamaica. Jamaica, I love Jamaica. Jamaica is the place to be. Jamaica will make you so happy. Jamaica make you so happy. Jamaica is the place to be.
Jamaica midday, a doctor for me, yes. Yeah, hear me now. The place I know and the place I grow, Jamaica is my home. For better or worse, yes, she comes first. Never, never leave my base. The road is long and the way is steep. Silent river runs deep. You never miss the water till the well runs dry. Jamaica, a true paradise. Never count out the people. We're always vibrant and strong, yeah. Don't take us for granted, or you will be totally wrong, yeah. Turn up the sound, make we bust up the place. Come on, let's celebrate. Nice up the dance, make we jump and prance. Jamaica, we did me friend. We did me friend. Turn up the sound, make we bust up the place. Come on and celebrate. Nice up the dance, make we jump and prance. Jamaica, we did me friend. From St. Thomas to Negril, run go check Uncle Cyril, yeah. Just rocking and skanking, keeping the vibe alive, yeah. The place I'm down is where I belong. Always give me a good vibe. Where rum is plenty and kush keeps burning. Always have a good time. The road is long and the way is steep. Silent river runs deep. You never miss the water till the well runs dry. Jamaica, true paradise, yeah. Now turn up the sound, make we bust up the place. Come on, let's celebrate. Now nice up the dance, make we jump and prance. Jamaica, we did me friend. Feel me paradise. Feel me paradise, yeah. I know and the place I grow, Jamaica is my home. For better or worse, yes, she comes first. Never, never leave my base. The road is long and the way is steep. Silent river runs deep. You never miss the water till the well runs dry. Jamaica, true paradise, yeah. Jamaican paradise, yeah. Jamaica, our paradise, yeah. I live it and I know it, so I'm gonna show it, yeah. I'll show it.
More festival songs when we come back. Four-time winner of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition, Roy Rayon, copped the Best Performer Award 5 times. He's been known to drive audiences to fever pitch with his high energy.
In 1985, it was Love Fever, and you know what happened with Love Fever. But I must tell you a story about Love Fever. I have to thank Rita Marley, because Love Fever was a follow-up song for Wandra. And Rita wasn't interested, but I thank her very, very much because I got a winner. They just reworked the song, and that was, yeah. I remember I entered 1980, and then 83, 84, 85. Yes, I'm glad bag the bus, you know, but I was happy, elated, yes. Nothing gives you that energy more than when you look at the audience and see that magic, that excitement you feel of that. My most memorable moment. Obviously, 1985 when I won, that would stand out. But I must tell you, 1987, you come into arena packed. Well, when the people were bouncing, jumping in arena, some people actually were walked out because concrete came down. But a magical moment when I came on and was doing give thanks and praises. That's one of the moments that I, will always relish and remember.
Give thanks. Coming up, dancehall quartet Lust reps for Jamaican culture all over the world. Then, grab your pot cover and get ready for a joyous and empowering performance from actress, TV host, and emerging artiste, Saquina.
Them love the Jamaican culture. Say all over the world, all over. Them a shout out Jamaica, Jamaica. All over the world, all over. Lost, what lost? What are they? What are some Jamaica? I don't know anything.
Lost representing
the black, gold, and green. Push them up to the sky. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Wave the flag them high, high, high. The Jamaican team, see them rolling by. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Say all over the world, all over. Them love the Jamaican culture. Say all over the world, all over. Them a shout out Jamaica, Jamaica. All over the world, all over. Make them hear you shout it out louder. Say all over the world, all over. Come we come to take over.
our song, yeah, the whole world I use it. Not to mention the sweet reggae music. When it hits you, you cannot refuse it. Look how people are scan can move it. I know about it all, Jago YouTube it. Take some of it paradise, but don't abuse it.
Visit Jamaica, fly and cruise it. South Coast, North Coast, anyone choose it. Whole world knows, say we little, but we tell our Jamaica, Jamaica. The black, gold, and green, push them up to the sky. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Wave the flag them high, high, high. The Jamaican team, see them rolling by. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Say all over the world, all over. Them love the Jamaican culture. Say all over the world, all over. Them a shout out Jamaica, Jamaica. All over the world, all over. Make them hear you shout it out louder. Say all over the world, all over. Come we come to take over.
Our athletes and we as musicians, when we take off on the plane. Anywhere we reach, we are represent Jamaica. We no stop big up the name. When dancehall music, sweet reggae music, hit to you don't feel no pain. Jamaican food put you in a mood. We can't even explain.
So me buck up in a too far in our day, yeah. Say them love the Jamaican flavor. Where them come from, down to Australia. And I say them wish we and them are the neighbor.
Them no one left them want stay at
out Jamaica, Jamaica. All over the world, all over. Make them hear you shout it out louder. Say all over the world, all over. Come we come to take over. Say all over the world, all over. Them love the Jamaican culture. Say all over the world, all over. Them a shout out Jamaica, Jamaica. All over the world, all over.
From your nose, say you're proud to be a Jamaican. Beat your pot cover and run up and down. Bang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang, yeah. We are Jamaica. More than 50 years strong. We are Jamaica. We have to get along. We are Jamaica. Tell me if I'm wrong. We are Jamaica. Help me sing the song. On August 6, 1962, black, green and gold for red, white and blue. Say bye-bye to the Queen and the Union Jack. Forward ever, never looking back. No pot cover of the beat for that. Bang, balang, balang, balang. Hey! Jamaica dominate the scenes. Reggae music to music queens. Us a pose, selfie we self. We real to the core, now be nobody else. We little but we large and we set no record. Jamaica still have good home and abroad. We are Jamaica. We are Jamaica. We have to get along. We are Jamaica. Tell me if I'm wrong, yeah. We are Jamaica. Help me sing the song. Out of many we are one big family, no matter where you come from. True royalty. Be the kings and queens that we are. Every Jamaican is a superstar. More pot cover of the beat for that. Bang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang. Hey! Celebrate with your joyous shouts from we yard straight up to Gordon House. One mind, one faith, one vision. Step on the right track with the one mission. Now stop till we reach with whole heart and soul. Jamaica take over the world. We are Jamaica. Forward as one. We are Jamaica. Let tears to come. We are Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Through the years of toil and sweat, with hard work we will never forget the high price for being free. Heroes fought for our victory. From the east, west, north and south. Beat your pot cover and shout it out. Get your flag and jump about, celebrate the black, green and gold. We are Jamaica. We are Jamaica. Proud to be Jamaica. We are Jamaica. Yeah. We are Jamaica. Make we forward as one. We are Jamaica. We have to learn to get along. We are Jamaica. The black, green and gold. We are Jamaica. Moving as one. We are Jamaica. Angalang-galang-galang, yeah. We are Jamaica. Jamaica. We are Jamaica. Angalang-galang-galang, yeah. We are Jamaica. The greatest country in the world. We are Jamaica. Marley, you see it, boy. Shelly Ann. We are Jamaica. Celebrate your black, green and gold. We are Jamaica. Stand up and be proud, Jamaica. We are Jamaica. Angalang-galang-galang, yeah. We are Jamaica.
Have you seen your favorite? Your votes will decide the outcome, so vote. The winning song will receive a grand prize of $3 million. Be sure to tune in on July 19 for the presentation show and July 26 for the results show to find out the winner of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition 2020. I'm Yendi. Thanks for watching.